have my eyelashes done today. First time ko magpapagawa ng eyelashes dito sa place na to. Pero they have good reviews. Meron silang TikTok. Tapos, gusto ko na magpagawa sa kanila before, pero lagi silang fully booked. So, ngayon, nagtanong ako, tapos biglang nagka-opening sila today. Nagpaalam ako sa office. Naalis ako kasi 4 PM yung appointment ko. 4:30 pala. 4:30 yung appointment ko. So, I'm gonna go there. The salon is called Slay Queen. In Marikina lang. So, mga Marikina peeps dyan. Sa Slay Queen kayo pumunta. After ng appointment ko, papakita ko kung magaling ba sila gumawa. Ano yung available na appointments. Hindi po nila na-mention na may available po today. Pero, ang available lang niya na sinend bukas tsaka Friday.
Ma'am, 1 hour pa po.
Hi guys! Good morning! Today is Pamper Day for me and Tim! Hello, Tim!
Yeah!
Yes! So, I have a schedule in Brow House for my brows. Threading lang and my upper lip. Threading lang din. We're on the way to PGC and later, gugupitan na yung hair ko finally after months of waiting. Ang tagal makakuha ng schedule. Magpapagupit ako tsaka si Tim sa 01. So, before, nakapagpagupit na ako doon and maganda naman yung gupit nila. Siguro parang nung bagong gupit lang, manipis siya tignan, pero ang ganda ng naging tubo. Tapos si Tim, lagi siya nagpapagupit doon. Doon siya lagi nagpapagupit at saka down perm. Kaya kung napapansin nyo, laging ang ganda ng hair ni Tim. Sobrang pogi. Wow! As in, doon siya nagpapagupit lagi. Tapos, minsan nagja-jump lang, tinatry niya sa Mori 2, pero talagang yung puso niya nakaset sa pagpapagupit sa 01 story. Okay, so ako naman ang ipapagupit ko, lalagay ko siya dito na yan yung peg ko. Okay, so titignan natin kung magugupitan mamaya. Siguro maiiksian lang siya ng konti kasi sasabihin ko later kay Dean na tanggalin na lahat ng bleach from my... Itong bleach na to, sobrang tagal na nito. As in, 2020, nagpa-full blonde kasi ako na full bleach ng hair, full head. Tapos hanggang ngayon, 2023 na, may bakas pa rin siya. Hindi ko pala napakita kanina, pero first time ko kasi siya ginamit as keychain. Nilagay ko na yung from my other vlog, previous vlog, diba? I bought yung teeny tiny bag. So, ginamit ko na siya today as keychain ng micro dumpling bag ko. Eee! Cute af! Tapos, sobrang daming kasha. As in, kasha tong camera ko now, phone, alcohol, wipes, AirPods, wallet na malaki, power bank, wifi, coins, tas meron pang pocket sa labas. Sobrang, this is a magic bag. It's like, you'll feel like you're Mary Poppins when you have this bag. Yan lang. Hi guys, if you've reached this part of the vlog, thank you so much. Pero I just wanna do a voiceover in this part kasi it deserves to have a voiceover of its own. Look at how unfazed I am. Sobrang walang sakit ako na nararamdaman. As in, tingnan nyo, hindi ako nag-flinch na may nararamdaman na sakit or whatever. Kasi, hindi talaga masakit. As in, sobrang sulit ng money dito, guys. As in, mag-try nyo. Sobrang hindi talaga masakit. As in. As usual, super nice experience with Brow House. Quick, easy, hindi painful. As in, yun yung binabayaran mo talaga for the price. As in, sobrang worth it. Nung 798 pesos. Kasi wala kang mafe-feel na pain at all. Promise. As in, try it to believe it. Wala kang mafe-feel na pain. Compare mo siya sa ibang threading na stores or threading na services na pinupuntahan. Hindi talaga makaka-feel ng pain sa Brow House. As in, fight me. So, sobrang galing nila. They shape it, gugupitin pa nila, stuff like that. So, sulit. Super. I love it. Di ba ako pretty? Pag-iyak na tayo. Di ba pretty?
Hindi naman.
Hello! We're here na in Uptown to have our haircut by Hair. OMG, I'm gonna miss you. Tagal kong pinahaba nito. Eugene's Palace.
I don't know.
What? I trust you. Whatever you like.
Really? Me?
Yeah, I trust you. I love it. Ang ganda. It's okay? Yeah, I love it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So, we're done getting our haircut sa 01. I love it! Sobrang ganda! As in, ang galing niya. Tapos, even nung binlower pa lang, nung hindi pa nakakulot ng ganito, ang ganda na. As in, ayan o, sobrang ganda nung hair. As in, nagaya niya talaga. Kung ano yung pinakita ko. Tapos, as in, tinignan niya, wala pang 10 seconds. Okay, sige. Tapos, nagjo-joke pa siya kung gaano ko gustong kaiksi yung bangs ko. Tapos, sabi niya, iksian niyang ganito. But it's so nice. I love it. Ganda ko. Ganda ko. Si Tim din. Pogi, oh. As in. I'm proud to say, I'm happy to say I'm in my healthy hair era. No more bleached part on my hair. In my hair, on my hair. I'm so happy.